Everyone says this AI model looks the best. But based on what exactly? Today I'm putting the most popular AI image generators to the test by recreating real best-selling Amazon merch designs and comparing the results. Alright, so for this comparison I decided to pick 3 designs. First one is this 100 Days of School design. As you can see, it's in this dripping ice cream style, and it's got the baseball and the baseball bats right here. And it actually says 100 Days of School. So now we're first gonna download this design, and then we get the next design right here. Well, this is basically an evergreen best-selling design on Amazon merch. It says Mamasaurus, and it's got this dinosaur in the background, and it's wearing the sunglasses and this bandana. So let's also download this on this button right here that says download. And then we got the last design right here, which is basically a graphic-only design. Well, except for these Chinese letters. As you can see, it was published about 2 years ago, but it somehow managed to become an all-time bestseller on Amazon merch. So let's also download this one. And now we head over to ChatGPT. So here we are in ChatGPT, and now I want to convert these images to prompts. And to do this, I just uploaded these images that we just downloaded. And then I just use a very simple prompt like, give me the prompt for these images so that I can use them for an AI art generator. Very simple and straightforward. So let's just press enter. And here we go, it's generating the prompts. Right, the first one says vector style, t-shirt illustration. Then it's got some parameters that say no. And we don't really want that. We also have to remove transparent background, because that's not yet possible with any of the AI art generators. Alright, so let's add another follow-up prompt. So I just typed in don't mention t-shirt and any of the no parameters. Let's press enter. Alright, I forgot the transparent background. So here we go. Alright, we got the 100 Days of School design. Vector style, illustration, large bold typography, reading, 100 Days of School. Alright, looks good to me. Then we got the Catzilla. Detailed illustration of a giant cat as a kaiju monster rising from ocean waves. Alright, I think that's also good. Then we get the Mamasaurus, cartoon illustration of a confident T-Rex dinosaur wearing sunglasses and a red polka dot headband. Alright, I think we can work with that. So let's start with the first generation. And first we're gonna start with the most expensive AI image generator, and that's Grok. So if you want to see a detailed explanation of these prices, please check out my last video. Then we're gonna follow with Nano Banana Pro, Ideogram 3.0, Imagine 4.0, then we got ChatGPT Image 1.5, and then we got the cheapest one, which is Flux 2 Pro. So let's start with Grok. So to use Grok, you just go to grok.com, and to create images, we just have to click this button that says create image, and then you can get inspired with all these images right here. But of course we're here to use our own prompts. So all we have to do is just copy and paste them. So we paste it right here and click on this arrow. Now it's starting to generate, and it's generating, and here we go. Okay, these are way different than the original one. Let's take a look at the generations. And if you didn't know, basically Grok generates an infinite amount of images. So when you scroll down right here, it just regenerates the prompt. So now you can just pick your favorite image. So let's see, let's scroll up again. Yeah, I would either choose this one or this one right here on the right. Yeah, let's just pick this one. Now what I really like about this design is the fact that we get this thick black outline, which makes it really easy to remove the background later. So let's go back and paste the next prompt. So we got Catzilla, and we're just gonna paste it and press this arrow, and it's starting to generate. And here we go, yeah. These also look way different than the original image. Let's see the generations. Yeah, they look really nice. Well, I tend to prefer one of the first generations. So let's pick this one right here on the right. So you just click it, and then you just click on this download icon right here on the down right. And lastly, we pick the last design. Just copy the prompt, and then we just paste it and press enter. And it's generating, and here we go. Okay, the graphic looks nice, but it's missing the Mamasaurus. Let's take a look at the prompt. Yeah, it doesn't say it in the prompt. So let's go back to ChatGPT, and let's just add the Mamasaurus design also has to include the word Mamasaurus. Alright, now I think we got it. And let's just paste it right here, press enter. And here we go. Yeah, that's way better. Again, way different than the original one, but that's not bad. Let's take a look at the generations. Yeah, nice. So I would actually pick the first one. And now let's head over to Nano Banana Pro. So to use Nano Banana Pro, you just go to gemini.google.com. And then we're just gonna click this button that says create image. And now we just paste our prompts. Right, here we got the first one. Okay, that's quite interesting. Now we got the design in the landscape format, which is great for the hats that we just got on Amazon Merch. But it's not that great for t-shirts. So since I don't want to edit the prompt, we're just gonna head over to Google AI Studio to use Nano Banana Pro. So here we go. As you can see on the right, we got some more settings. So we choose the Nano Banana Pro model. And now what's really important for us is the aspect ratio. So let's click that and let's choose 4:5. And now we're just gonna paste in the prompt and then we click run. Alright, we got the design. It says 100 days of school, 100 school. Okay, that's not correct. Let's just regenerate it. Alright, we got a design that's quite similar. It says 100 days of school, 100 school. Well, that's not correct either. So for a fair comparison, we have to choose this one. And let's generate the other ones. Alright, we got the Catzilla, which looks really nice. So let's download this one. And let's check out the last one. Yeah, this looks quite simple, but let's download it anyway. And now we head over to Ideogram. So for this demo, we're gonna use the 3.0 default model, 4:5 aspect ratio, and the style is design. Now let's just paste our prompts. Alright, 100 days of school. Yeah, we got perfect typography and the colors look nice. So I would choose the last one. So next we got Catzilla. Yeah, we got the Japanese style. We got no Japanese letters, but we definitely got this Japanese woodblock style. So yeah, basically any of these could be used for t-shirt designs. Let's just choose the second one. And lastly, we got the Mamasaurus. Yeah, these all look quite simple. I would choose the last one. Now let's check out the next image generator, which is also a model from Google. So we're just going to use it in Google AI Studio. The model is called Imagine 4.0. So we're just going to choose that. Number of results, let's put it to 4. And let's set the aspect ratio to 3:4. And now we just paste in the prompt. Alright, now it's generating. Alright, that's really interesting. So only the first one and the last one look like t-shirt designs. Now the first one looks better than the last one. But when you just read the phrase 100 days off school, well, the off repeats. So I wouldn't use this one. This one says 100 days of school. Phrase is absolutely correct, but I don't really like this design. But let's download it anyway. So now we're just gonna put the next prompt and it's generating. And here we go, yeah. That's quite interesting. So the cat is in a really Japanese style, if you can say it like that. I would pick the third one as it's quite funny. Alright, here we go. Again, these first designs don't make any sense, but the last two designs are actually usable. So I would pick this one. Now for the next image model, we head over to ChatGPT. Okay, so here we are in ChatGPT and all we have to do is click on this plus and then we choose create image. So here we go. Now we're just gonna paste in the prompts. Alright, so it's generating. Now it's actually generating 2 responses. And here we go. Okay, nice. These actually look really nice. Well, you could use any of these. They both look awesome. So let's just pick the first one as we got these nice colorful letters. Now let's generate the next one. And this time it generates only 1 image. Okay, no, it generates 2. Alright, nice. So I would prefer this second one as we got this nice frame around it. And I just prefer this cat. And let's generate the last one. And here we go. Yeah, looks really nice. I really like the way on how the word was arranged right here. And it looks like the dinosaur is holding it. So let's download this one. And let's head over to the last image generator, which is Flux 2 Pro. So you get some free generations on the Flux playground. Now I already choose the Flux 2 Pro model and the aspect ratio for t-shirts. So now we're just gonna paste in the prompts. Hit this arrow right here. Alright, now I actually have to choose an image. So I would prefer this one on the right. So let's just click right is better. And we got a different one. Okay, let's actually increase the batch size to 4 and hit generate again. And here we go. So now we have to choose our favorite images again. So let's click next. Okay, I would prefer this one, the one on the right, but it actually doesn't change our generations. So out of these generations, I would prefer the last one. Now let's generate the other ones. Alright, here we go. Yeah, these look nice. Well, you could basically use any of these. Let's pick the first one and let's generate the last design. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we got some nice designs. I would choose the last one actually. Yeah, let's pick the last one. And now let's head over to our big comparison. Alright, so here we go. Now on the left you can see the original images. We got the 100 Days of School one, we got the Catzilla, and we got the Mamasaurus. And then we got all the different AI image models. Now let's just pick a winner for each of these designs. So let's zoom in a bit on the 100 Days of School designs. Yeah, I think you can see them. And you also may keep the price in mind. So we go from the left, which is the most expensive image model, to the right, which is the cheapest image model. So speaking of the design quality, I'm a big fan of Grok for this design. We got the letters, which are big and easy to read, and they are also correct. And also ChatGPT looks really awesome. Well, this Imagine design looks way behind. And also the Flux one doesn't really convince me. The Nano Banana Pro and the Ideogram design actually have typos in them, so I wouldn't really use them. So the winner for this 100 Days of School design would be ChatGPT. So let's put a star right there. Can you see that? Okay, here we go. Now let's check out the next designs. We got the Japanese cat. Actually, let me show you the model. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so even though the original image doesn't have a frame around it, I would prefer the design with the frame, like this one from Nano Banana or these last three ones. So I would pick the one from Nano Banana Pro, as we got the frame and we got some more Japanese letters, or the one from ChatGPT, where we got the frame and it just looks awesome. So let's pick ChatGPT as the winner again. So we put the star right here, and let's check out the last designs. Okay, let's put the Flux 2 one right here, so you can see it. Alright, so I don't really like the ones from Nano Banana Pro and Imagine 4.0. These look just way too simple in my opinion. And I also don't really like the one from Ideogram, because it's just a bit too hard to read. I really like the one from Grok, ChatGPT again, and Flux 2 Pro. So if I had to choose a winner, it would be ChatGPT again. So there you go. Now for this comparison, ChatGPT wins in all categories, and it's actually the second cheapest model. So that's quite surprising. Now if you want to create designs for trends using your favorite AI art generator, then check out this video right here.